Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check with me, Yatin Mota, and you are watching this stream live on Moneycontrol. Good afternoon, and today the start of the week has been slow, but rather in the green. Now, if you talk about the Sensex, we have seen the Sensex move up by about 60 points, so almost 0.1% gain coming in for the markets. Quite modest in terms of the Nifty gains, also nearly 25 points up. However, we are near that 18,600 mark. After the RBI policy, particularly, we have seen some pressure build up on the Nifty Bank. Today also the Nifty Bank is trading with marginal losses, but down by about 35 points. But the action really is in the mid and small cap space. The mid cap index is up nearly 125 points, and small cap index also holding almost by 1% or so. Advance decline ratio also looking quite healthy at 12:7. So good momentum coming in because of the entire mid cap move. As far as the sectoral performance is concerned, today we have IT, real estate and media stocks doing well. In fact, IT stocks are up by nearly 1.5%. And as far as FMCG and banking stocks are concerned, some bit of selling pressure is seen. When you talk about the Nifty 50 stocks, we have HCL Technologies, Infosys, Tech Mahindra kind of IT stocks moving in trade. On the other side, we have BPCL and NTPC, the PSU stocks, making a move, both up by nearly 1.5 to 2%. What's not doing well is the likes of L&T and ITC, both of the stocks down 1% each, and Maruti and Titan are also among these consumption names or high beta names, which are down by nearly 0.8% in trade. What's not doing well in the banking space is HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Both of these stocks are down, because of which there is some marginal pressure on the Nifty Bank. TCS and Reliance top traded counters volumes of over 500 crores in the cash segment. So this is what we have been talking about as far as Nifty 50 is there. But let's talk about the mid cap end of the market, wherein Suzlon again is the top gainer in the Nifty 500, 6.5% up for that one. Nazara Technologies, Linde, Delivery, all of these stocks doing well, anywhere between 8 to 10%. What also doing well as far as Nifty 500 is concerned, we have Century Ply, FDC, REC, PI Industries. After one of its clients increased the guidance, that stocks is doing well. On the flip side, we have Go Colors, and that stock is down nearly 4.5% after a block deal, in which, according to our information, Sequoia is most likely to have sold their stake, which is close to 13% equity. And the transaction happened close to 11:35, a 5% discount to Friday's closing price. So post that block deal, the stock is still under pressure. We also have SRF, Indian Bank, Schaeffler, all of these stocks witnessing some bit of profit taking. In fact, today HCL and other defense stocks are also looking at some selling pressure. Also, let's talk about CMS Info, and there was a big deal there. And CMS Info post that deal is up 5%, wherein buyers were IIFL Mutual Fund, ValueQuest, Norges, as well as Government Pension Fund, which is a Singapore-based fund. Also in focus is Titagar Wagon. They have approved the fundraising of nearly 288 crores from Capital International's Small Cap World Fund at 380 rupees per share, and post that preferential issue, the stock is really doing well. Maharashtra Seamless also in focus, one of the mid caps, because they have prepaid their 234 crore long-term loan, post which the stock is witnessing some momentum. In the large cap, Divi's Laboratories was down 2% last time I checked after a weak May export data. So, the export data for pharma companies was mixed, especially for Laurus, the likes of Divi's Lab, wherein the API is the main focus. There, the exports have seen some bit of slowdown. Overall, the market today is holding out. But yes, very small gains coming in for the frontline indices. Let's see if in the second half we are able to sustain these gains. But overall, the market today looks stable. International markets are also doing well. So comparatively, we are also quite stable in terms of stock returns and stock momentum. Do catch me live once again at 3:30 on Moneycontrol, wherein we will get you closing comments as well as some stocks which we are focusing on. See you at 3:30. Till then, stay connected to moneycontrol.com.